Imagine creating high-end cinematic videos and hyper-realistic product ads with full sound without paying a single cent or hitting a monthly limit. Most AI video tools charge a fortune for just 10 seconds of footage. But today, I'm showing you a true game changer that lets you direct every frame and sync every sound completely free.
Oye, es eso.
Yes, Cedance 1.5 Pro is already out.
真的吗？
Move! Before we jump in, if you like AI tools that actually save you money, hit that like button and subscribe. This channel is all about free, powerful tech for creators. In this video, we're diving deep into Seedence 1.5 Pro, the powerhouse AI tool that's officially ending the era of expensive subscriptions. I'll show you exactly how to generate everything from 12-second cinematic movie scenes to high-converting product ads and even full AI-generated storybooks. If you're ready to master the next generation of AI video, let's get started. Welcome. To get started, click the link in the description or the pinned comment to visit the website. Once you arrive, you will see it clearly displayed, Seedence 1.5 Pro. Their mission is to help you direct every frame, sync every sound.
Welcome to the new era of video generation. Let's Seedence together.
Let's Seedence together, just as the AI model on the home page suggests. As you explore the site, you'll notice incredible features like precise audio-visual alignment, multilingual group dialogue, and cinematic narrative quality. Trust me, the results are stunning. It creates high-quality images and videos. First, I'll click on Remix, which brings us to the main dashboard. You'll see a default image of a lady, but I'm going to clear that out along with the existing prompt. I've prepared a few prompts to demonstrate how we can generate professional videos and images. Cedance is exceptional for creating product advertisements for marketing. For our first example, I have a pair of headphones. I'll upload the image as the first frame. Note that I am not uploading a last frame because I want the AI to focus entirely on this specific product. I'll paste my prompt into the field. On the right, you'll see several customization settings. Aspect ratio, you can choose a specific ratio or leave it on Smart. Resolution, you can select up to 1080p. Duration, you can set the length to Smart or up to 12 seconds. Quantity, you can generate up to 12 variations at once, though I'll stick with one for now. Now I'll click Send. Our video is ready. Let's take a look. That looks fantastic. You might notice an AI-generated watermark at the bottom of the video. I'll show you how to remove that instantly. Click on Configure. You will see a toggle for watermark. Make sure this is turned off. Now your future generations will be clean and professional. Let's try a more complex advertisement using 2 frames. I'll upload a bag as the first frame and a model as the second frame. I'll paste the new prompt, keep the previous settings, and hit Send. Looking at the result, this didn't quite turn out as expected. The AI seems to have ignored the model and just focused on a 360-degree view of the bag. Sometimes AI requires a bit of trial and error. Let's try another 2-frame transition. I'll upload a watermelon as the first frame and a glass of juice as the second frame. I'm hoping the AI follows the transformation prompt this time. I'll paste the prompt and see the result. There we go. That transition worked perfectly. Next, I'll demonstrate a cinematic movie scene using only a text prompt. I won't upload any reference frames this time. I'll paste a prompt for a high-speed car race. Set the duration to 12 seconds and the aspect ratio to 16:9. Let's hit send and watch the action. That looks like a scene straight out of a movie. Cedance is also great for generating B-roll for your YouTube videos. I'll upload my AI avatar to create some custom footage. I'll paste the B-roll prompt and hit send. Now that it's done, we have a meaningful B-roll clip ready for editing. It's a bit short, but it serves the purpose perfectly. Now let's move on to images. In the dashboard, click on Media/Video Generation and toggle on Image Generation. You'll notice the engine changes to Cadream 4.5 Pro. Remember, Cedance is for video and Cadream is for images. I'll attempt to create a YouTube thumbnail by uploading my AI avatar and pasting a specific thumbnail prompt. You can choose styles like group or storybook. It's generating now. However, the result isn't quite right. I realized I forgot to set the aspect ratio and the 4K resolution. Without those settings, the image doesn't look as professional as I'd like. Finally, let's use Cadream to create a storybook or comic. I'll clear the previous assets for a fresh start. I'll enter the prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and request 9 pieces or frames. Our storybook is ready. Let's flip through it. The first scene has beautiful text and colorful imagery. The second page is equally impressive with lots of detail. It's perfect for children's content. As we look through the third, fourth, and subsequent pages, you can see the consistency and quality. That covers how to use Cedance 1.5 Pro for free video generation and Cadream 4.5 Pro for stunning images. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.